Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMover, and we've become a real fan of the Caspio Webhooks feature. We've put like 3 different clients we put webhooks in the last week or so. So what is a webhook? A webhook's a program that executes an action based on a change in a table record. So as you update a table, then that fires the webhook and can do certain things after that, okay? And so our advantages of the Caspio webhooks. First of all, real easy to set up. And so you have the classic sort of low-code Caspio point-and-click setup here. It works great. And then, logs and everything. So the user interface stuff from Caspio is just really easy to use. I mean, in 10 minutes, we could show you how to do it, and you'd be off and running on your own. And so these are much easier than APIs. Realistically, I think you need a computer science degree to do APIs. What it can do, a webhook can capture inputs from multiple sources. So we have people who have, APIs or triggered actions, data pages, whatever, updating a table. We don't need to match all those with a new action. We can just monitor the table. So that really simplifies quite a lot, especially triggered actions. We've simplified some triggered actions in the last few days just by using the webhooks, okay? What a webhook can do, it can not only update tables, which is really useful, but more importantly, it can execute APIs. So for instance, we have a client who, when they get a new record in from a potential customer of theirs, we execute a webhook on that new record, and that calls a program that looks for the credit score. So we look up the credit score, and so immediately the customer service representative can see the new record that's come in along with their credit score, because we've executed the credit score request from a webhook. It's also fast because I think this is probably a server type thing, and so no problem it seems we've had with transactions per second or anything like that. It is HIPPA compliant, which is important, and for some of our customers. And a little thing, but sort of nice for us, is you can actually set up a webhook itself by a program. So we have quite a lot of flexibility there. We really think that this is a potential Zapier substitute because it's faster. We have transactions per second limitation with Zapier. It's HIPAA compliant, which Zapier is not, and it's free. I mean, my Grow account has 500,000 webhooks per month. So, I mean, I don't know, you'd have to talk to your Caspio CSM about this, but it seems to me that for a lot of people, using webhooks is free, whereas Zapier is paid. So anyway, we love these webhooks, and we'd be more than happy to show you how to use them. Just get in touch, and we'll have a session with one of our developers. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.